tayo ngayon sa Royce Hotel and Casino. So wedding event today ni Sir Eric and ni Ma'am Mika. So tayong full coordinator nila. So lahat ng wedding nila after how many months of preparation is ready na. And later on, mag-start na yung event. So we are all excited.
Alis na siya.
Thank you po sa pagtitiwala sa group na.
Love was a charge given to the husband. But who loves more? It's the wife. Diba? So sino bang wife na hindi nila mahal ang kanilang asawa? Papunta po sa amin. Sige po po.
Just blower. Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon ulit sa Clark Hilton Hotel. So invited tayo to dance with our couple. Kay Sir Irvin at kay Ma'am Jamie. Actually, sasayaw sila later on. Pero flash mob yung concept. Kasama yung mga guests. So kasama ko rin ngayon si Koy na sasayaw. Thank you kay Kuya Wei at kay Sir Mark and of course sa Mitch Events for this project. And excited na kami kasi marami kaming gagawin na ngayon lang namin ipapakita. Tsaka siguraduhin na mag-enjoy sila sa party nila. Yun lang guys.
Cheers to the couple!
Cheers everybody! Yes, okay, ang dami ng thumbs up. Okay, that's a good sign, good sign, good sign. Enjoy naman po kayo tonight. Masarap po yung pagkain. Masarap, ayos, ayos.
Hi guys, nandito pa rin tayo sa wedding. So ito yung ganap kapag hindi pa tayo nakasalang. Waiting, nakatayo, ayan, nasa labas ng ballroom. While yung event ongoing sa loob. So yan lang. Ayun. Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Grand Palacio Royal for AF Batch 89 Grand Reunion. So tayo yung napili nilang dance director and choreographer. Since last year, we're preparing for this event and this is it. Later on, magpe-perform sila ng kanilang Rigodon or Cotillion plus modern and TikTok songs. Tapos magkakaroon din tayo ng after party kasama yung mga dancers. So, let's go!
Panis.
Ganun.
Uy, TikTok.
Si ano naman? Sige.
Tara, pasok na.
Uy, magmamaigday ako.
Sige, go.
Sige po.
Ay. Sige, Koy. Sige.
Nandiyan ang mga teachers natin. O sige, habang
stars, I think I saw you. still living your lifestyle.